Hey YouTubers, it is Q and Sean, and we're just introducing you to our life.
Yes, we are sisters that were given away by our birth mother. She was young when she had us, so she made a decision to let some people that she felt was more mature that could raise us.
Yes.
But we have made a relationship with her, and we're all good. But yeah, that's what happened.
Yeah.
Shonda found us, and I'm gonna let her take over.
I found them. We were probably about 14, 15 years old when I found them. I actually had no idea that I was adopted, that I had other siblings. I was under the impression that the family I was with was my family until I found this information out. And so I was curious and, of course, wanted to know my family. So I found them, and for some reason, me and Q just really connected. We just clicked right off the top.
Yes.
She switched schools to come be with me. We were always together. Always together. When I got my first apartment, always there every weekend. Yes. Like, it was crazy. If I got my hair done, she was getting her hair done. If I got my nails done, she was getting her nails done. So we were always together. You couldn't see one without the other.
Right. We were inseparable.
Yeah, we were inseparable. But then life hit.
Lord.
Men hit. I think us finding ourselves, trying to grow and know who we were, it caused us to have a lot of misunderstandings.
Yeah. And I feel like we didn't get to go through the growing pains as like most siblings do. Like, we didn't grow up together, we didn't meet each other, so I feel like a lot of that had to do with that. Like, we were still, I guess we were making up for lost time. Like, we never got to have those kitty fights and get into it with your sister until we met. So
yeah, that's right. We were just getting to know each other, and I think just also getting to know ourselves. So we butt heads for a while there. It took us a good minute. I mean, I'm talking years to get it together.
And I really feel like a lot of it was we thought stuff was going on when it really wasn't, and we just really wasn't communicating. We just didn't communicate. We just always assumed, or we just didn't want to step on each other's toes. Like,
yeah,
we were like,
and that actually made it worse.
Right. Oh,
you know what I'm saying? Like, let me not say nothing. Right. Because she's going to get mad.
And that wasn't even the case.
Yeah.
Like, but we had to grow up, and like, I don't know what changed. It's just like, well, for me, it was just like one morning, I just woke up and I was just, kind of like just going over my friends and just how things been, and I was just like, my friendships are okay, but I'm still not getting what I need out of a friendship. And I'm
missing that bond.
Yeah, and and then I have my sister here. I'm like, she keeps reaching out, and she keeps showing me that she wants it, and I'm like, maybe it's me, because I used to think it was her. I'm like, well, maybe it's her, because I'm like, I'm cool, I can know everybody. Like, why?
And I'm thinking the same thing.
Why we don't get along? Like, why in the world don't we get along? Like, I'm cool, she cool, and we used to get along. So I was like, maybe it's me. Like, I feel like sometimes in your friendships, or when you're dealing with people, you have to, like, you think it's them, and you have to really take a look at yourself and see if it's you. And I'm like, maybe it's me. Maybe I'm not putting all that I can into this relationship, like, because I feel like we want the same thing. We say it all the time. We always come and talk, but I don't really feel like
it was getting there.
I don't feel like I was putting in the effort.
I think that is because, even though some things happened, and I did something that rubbed her the wrong way, and vice versa. Yeah. But I think that I was quicker to forgive completely, and that's why I was always like, come on, let's just be sisters again. Like, what's the problem?
And I guess I feel like I took you for granted. Like, I feel like you were my sister. You're always going to be there. Yeah. We're always going to be sisters, but being sisters and having a friendship
two different things.
Like, yes, you're my sister, but it's sisters that don't get along.
Yeah.
We wanted to be sisters and have
that bond, that relationship.
Like, she's my best friend. Like,
yes, definitely. Like, we can just talk to each other.
It's funny I can say that now. I wouldn't have probably been able to say that a few years ago.
No.
I'd be like, she's just my sister.
Yeah. Me too. I'm like, well, she's my sister. I mean, yeah.
Like, now we're like, this is my sister, but this is my best friend.
And it's a big difference because I think the bond is even better because we've gone through those things, and we really were able to see, like, okay, if we can get past this, we can really get past anything. You know, we can get through anything, and we better together. To be honest, there's no sense in both of us sitting around suffering. We both would be sitting around sad, wanting to be with each other. But
I would complain to Chris all the time. Like, I do not understand. And all my other people, they would know. They're like, oh, if this girl talks about this shit.
one more time.
I just don't understand. Like, what is going on?
I know. So, but now we got it together, and since we got it together, we thought we would just invite you on this journey with us as we get closer and as we grow through things that we're going through. She's trying to grow career-wise. We both are happily married, thank God. Yay. So we want to share that with you as well. Like, we have some groups that we both created, and one is Queens and Cocktails, so we get together as ladies and we just go and try all these different places in Dallas, and we are from Dallas,
Texas, baby.
D-Town, so y'all get to see the Dallas nightlife and different places that we go and our new experiences, and just come on this journey with us. Why not? We figured, hey,
it'll be fun.
It'll be fun, and y'all will really enjoy it. And we're also gonna talk about some real things, like we're talking about right now. Sometimes you might log onto our channel and we might be traveling. Sometimes you might log on and we're eating and just having conversation, or sometimes we just might get on here to vent and just talk to you, you know. And we think that we have a lot of experiences that we can give to young girls and women in general out here. She has been through a very difficult marriage and divorce, and I have been through difficult relationships. We both were single parents, going through
in a relationship. How you be in a relationship?
Yes,
that was my life.
Yes,
15 years.
Wow. So we got a lot we can share with you. So just get ready. Just get ready. We will be posting every week. Every Thursday.
3 p.m.
3 p.m. Check YouTube, and we will consistently post and give you guys something to watch. So thanks for joining us. We're so happy to have you.
Please
like with Q and Sean. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Share.
Family, friends,
everybody. Uncle, cousin.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Tell everybody about Q and Sean.
Everybody.